First, your hair shouldn't look like this when you apply any hair products. We need to fix it. Since we don't have a shower here, I'm going to use the option to wet my hair with my hands. Use your hands to scoop the water and distribute it to your hair. You can use the comb to spread it evenly. Now that your hair is completely wet, we can try it with a hair dryer. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you 100% discount to our website. Let's get started. Now that your hair is prepared, you can spray salt spray directly onto the hair. Simply hold the bottle about 6 inches away from your head and mist the salt spray over your hair. Comb your hair into the desired style while the salt spray is still wet. Allow the salt spray to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and try not to touch yourself or your hair during this time. This will help the salt spray set and give you the desired texture and hold. Enjoy your new look.